Okay, everybody, in the last video we set up our pickup items, and I went ahead and renamed mine to pickup 1 and pickup 2 just to keep track of them better. So that gives the player a goal so that they can win the game. But right now there's no way for them to lose the game, and I want to change that. So let's start off by making a new game object, and we will create a cube. And I'm going to rename it to hazard, and I want to make it a little bigger, so I'll just make it 10 by 10 by 10. And then down here in the project tab, let's go to the scripts folder, and there is a script called objects right here. Let's select the hazard cube again and then drag the object script into the inspector tab. Alright, and for object type, put in hazard with a capital H. And for the box collider, we have to set it to isTrigger. Okay, now the hazard is set up. I'm going to bring it down to the floor. That should be good right around there. It doesn't look very dangerous though, so I want to make it look more dangerous. And we're going to go to the art folder now. We are going to create a new material. So right click there, go to create, material. We're going to call it red. And for this material, I want it to be semi-transparent. So right here where it says rendering mode, we're going to change it from opaque to transparent. And then right here, we will change the color just like normal. Now it's nice and red and dangerous. And I'm going to turn the alpha down. Right around there should be good. Now I'm going to drag it onto our hazardous cube. And as you can see, it is transparent. So I'm going to play the game, and we're going to see what this does exactly. So here it is. I'll walk into the cube. And as you can see, the health is going down. Down, down, down. And when the health goes all the way down, it's game over. And after a few seconds, the game will reset, so you can try again. Alright, so that is a hazardous cube. Now, maybe you want to give the player a way to heal themselves. So let's do that real quick too. Let's create another new game object. And this time I will make a capsule. There we go, that looks good. I'm going to drag it down to the floor. I'm going to rename it health. Okay. I'm going to make sure the collider is set to trigger. And for pickups, if you remember from the last video, we have to set the tag to pickup. And health is a pickup item. And one more thing, we're going to add the pickup script, just like that, okay? And this time for the pickup type, we're going to call it health with a capital H. And why not give it a new material? So let's go ahead and pick a new color. I want it to be purple. There we go. I like purple, so put that on the capsule. You can choose whatever color you want. That's entirely up to you. But let's go ahead, just move that over here a little bit, and we will test it out and see if it works. Alright, so first let's touch the hazard. Ouch, ouch. That's dealing damage. Okay, now let's pick up the health. And look at that. Our health went up by 10 points. So now we can create risk and reward for the player in our level. So I want you guys to go ahead and set those up and test them out, make sure that they work. Again, this level is only temporary, so don't get too attached to the level. It's just for testing. In the next video, I'm going to show you some more level design stuff that'll help us make an even better looking level. So I'll see you all then.